What are leavening agents in gluten-free baking? Have you ever wondered how gluten-free baked goods can rise and become fluffy without gluten? The secret lies in leavening agents. These are substances that create gas bubbles in your dough or batter, making it rise and giving it that light, airy texture we all love. In gluten-free baking, where gluten is absent, leavening agents play a vital role in achieving the perfect volume and crumb in your desserts. Leavening agents can be categorized into three main types: biological, chemical, and mechanical. Let's break each of these down. First, we have biological leavening agents, which include yeast. Yeast is a living microorganism that ferments sugars and produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas helps gluten-free breads and some desserts rise naturally. However, yeast needs time, the right temperature, and careful handling to work effectively. So, if you are using yeast, be patient and give it the time it needs to create those delightful bubbles. Next up are chemical leavening agents. The most common ones are baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, requires an acidic ingredient like lemon juice or vinegar to activate it. When you mix baking soda with an acid, it releases carbon dioxide quickly, providing a fast rise. Baking powder is a bit different. It contains both an acid and a base, allowing it to release gas into stages, once when mixed with wet ingredients and again when heated. This makes it a popular choice for gluten-free cakes, cookies, and quick breads. Lastly, we have mechanical leavening agents. This method involves incorporating air into your batter by whipping or beating. For example, whipping egg whites or cream can trap air, which expands during baking. This technique is often used in gluten-free cakes and meringues. However, be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the batter to collapse. In gluten-free baking, leavening agents often work alongside binders like eggs or psyllium husk powder. Binders help compensate for the absence of gluten, providing structure and improving texture. Eggs are particularly useful because they bind ingredients together and help set the structure of your baked goods. When using leavening agents in gluten-free baking, keep a few practical tips in mind. Always use baking soda with an acidic ingredient to ensure it activates properly. Opt for double-acting baking powder for consistent leavening during both mixing and baking. If you are using yeast, allow enough time for fermentation and create the right conditions for it to thrive. Incorporate mechanical leavening gently to avoid deflating your batter. And remember to combine leavening agents with suitable binders to enhance the final product's structure and texture. Understanding the role of leavening agents is essential for successful gluten-free dessert recipes. With the right combination, you can create delicious baked goods that are light, fluffy, and satisfying, even without gluten.